So when we're looking at exponents, we really should know our powers and our bases. So I've given you here a chart. This is also something that you can download and just have for reference. But these are powers of that you really should know and recognize. When you see these numbers, you should recognize these as powers of these bases. So this row here represents that column there represents the bases. And these just represents the powers of those bases. So we should really know the base 2 numbers from 4, 8, 16, 32, 64, 128. Really it's not a stretch to go to 256. Okay? For base 3, 3 squared, 3 cubed, 3 to the power 4, we should know those ones. 3 to the power 5 really is another one that we should be familiar with. Okay, and then 3 to the power 6, that's a bit more of a stretch, but that one you probably should know that one as well. So that one is 729. But again, if you know up to here, that's pretty good. We really would expect you to know up to there. For powers of 4, you should know your 4 squared, 4 cubed. This one might be a little bit of a stretch, 256. Okay, but again, if you know that one, that's great. For the rest of them, you should know at least your cubes. 5 cubed, 6 cubed, 7 cubed, and then you should know your squares. Okay, most of you guys are going to be pretty good. If you made it up to math 12, you should be pretty good with your squares, but you should know your squares up to at the very least 12 squared. Okay, so this is a chart that you can fill out more of this chart as you like. Okay, and you can use this as reference. And it's good to do this, not have to always go to your calculator and calculate these things. We should be able to have a reference to be able to kind of check. And again, like I said, you should know the ones that were written in here. Those are ones that really you should know already. And you can fill in the other ones as you get to know them. And you can use this as a reference if you like. And you can also use this for, tests and stuff like that as well.